Hello, Miss Robin. The Robin Anton. You look gorgeous. How are you feeling today?
Oh, I feel great. I really do. I'm so excited to be here. I was just saying that being a part of, this, it's all about dance, and dancing has taken me into places that I never thought that I would imagine being able to do, and I want to inspire dancers, That's really my goal, is that I want to inspire dancers to.
Oh, you do?
Yeah, that it's not, you know what I mean? It's not just about, dancing and then all of a sudden at a certain age you can't dance anymore. Well, you can, I take dance class religiously. That's how I stay in shape, but also I use it for everything that I'm doing, But it's true. Hey, dancers have the best bodies.
Yes, they do. And they stay hot forever.
And they say it's true. I mean, look at, there's in the history of dance and all of our great, the people that we're so inspired by, they all look so amazing. So.
Oh, yes, and you are right there with them. So tell us about the Pussycat Dolls audition.
Well, yes, so I'm auditioning for the new Pussycat Dolls, the recording group, and a lot of people are, I think there's so many people out there that are fans that kind of say, well, we want the Pussycat Dolls the way they were, and that's always, I know that that's always going to happen.
Yeah.
And I know there's a lot of people questioning, can you do it again? And you know what? I believe that I can, and there's a lot of people that believe that I can, but it's not about the end goal. It's about the journey getting there, and I think that that's what this award is about tonight. It's about the journey that I've been on this whole entire time to get to where I am today, to be lucky enough to be able to actually try it again. I'm not even saying, yes, I'm going to do it again, but I'm trying my best that I've always done, the way that I created the original Pussycat Dolls. Although I started Pussycat Dolls in 1995, people don't realize there's been many incarnations of the Pussycat Dolls.
Wow.
Like the Pussycat Dolls, the recording group, are not the original, by the way. They're not. I mean, I'm 1995. It was me and 3 other girls, and then I was 2. No, but it's like it's changed so much over the years, and then then the recording group happened in 2002.
Okay.
So there's a it's a big history behind the Pussycat Dolls and the brand, and again, that's what this award I think is about for me tonight. It's about it's about the journey.